All right, straight to the stock markets now. The first day of trading in the week closed positively for investors on the Nigerian Stock Exchange as they gained 207 billion naira on Monday. The all-share index grew by 0.69% to reach 55,328.42 on Monday from 54,949.21 recorded at the end of the trading on Friday. The market's capitalization also increased by 207 billion naira to 30.14 trillion naira from 29.93 trillion naira recorded last week. 149.78 million of shares valued at 1.5 billion naira were traded in 3,186 deals. The year-to-date return stood at 7.23%. The market breadth also closed positively with 28 gainers and 9 losers. Leading the gainers were CI Leasing, Oando and Stanbic at 10% change, while FTNCocoa led the losers table with 6.9% change. Well, to analyze this, Ademola Adabale, Head Research, Atlas Portfolio Securities, joins us via Zoom. Thank you for joining us. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Well, the first day of trading, of course, after all of the activities, the elections over the weekend, we see some positive movement in the market for investors on the Nigerian exchange. And this is, of course, reflecting a gain of 207 billion naira. What are your thoughts on the reason for this increase?
Okay, thank you. So, contrary to people's opinion that market is likely to be bearish during this election period, we've seen a reversal this time around. And like what we had yesterday, we saw markets going up in all major market sectors, led by the consumer goods sector yesterday. So what we could trace to this is investors increased appetite for capital market this season due to, this time around we have some firms that are leading and dividend for 2022 financial period, and investors are also awaiting audited reports of some companies. And so far, companies that have released their audited reports for 2022 they've performed very well, So it is very encouraging for retail investors. So that is why, despite the election tensions and all other things happening, investors are positive about the capital market, even as we all await the outcome of the election. Thank you.
Well, let's also look at the fact that the all-share index grew by 0.69%, reaching 55,328.42, and that's from some 54,902 it recorded on Friday. There have been predictions of uncertainties, especially because of the fact that the elections were coming up on Saturday, and a lot of investors were being careful as to where to invest or in what business to invest. What would you attribute this shoot up in the all-share index to?
We've been having cautious trading the stock market for quite a while. But this time around, investors are positive about the capital market. Like I said earlier, there are some companies that are currently giving their dividends. Like for instance, thanks to use a dividend for 2022, that's around 20 naira. We also have Nigerian bills. And when you check their financial reports, they didn't perform badly at all. So these are the drivers. This is what is driving the market. And we are majorly looking at retail investors, that is local investors, that are the ones currently investing in the market, waiting for what will happen after the election when foreign investors start coming. So the local investors are currently taking advantage of the market right now to cherry pick or some stocks with good fundamentals. So that is what is currently happening. The gains are not too much, but we have investors' appetite increasing across the sector. interesting to see at this time.
Mm. Well, let's go to the gainers table. Of course, we see the market closing with 28 gainers and 9 losers. Boa Cement is on that list, topping that list with a closing session or figure of 99 naira 45 kobo. How would you explain this increase?
I don't know the statistics you are bringing up here, but yesterday the top gainer was CI Leasing, Oando and Stanbic. There were the 3 young gainers yesterday in the market transaction yesterday. And if you look at their unaudited financial reports, they were doing well, you know. So now I really want to separate each of the stocks or each of the sectors. I would like to look at the sectors in general. If you look at the general performance of sectors, you cannot really cherry pick one sector above the other because there is an increased general. But if you look at the market spread, look at 26 to 9. That should tell you that something is actually happening. And then, like I also said, it is our retail investors that are currently investing. And also, when you look at the cash challenges that is happening right now, people that have little bit of money at home, they are looking for where to put their money. And why not the capital market? Because some countries now, within this retail, the companies that release their dividends. And if instead of your money just staying without being returned to the capital market, you will take something at the end of the month. So that's a little investment. So that is why we have the capital market on the bullish one for 4 days now. And we are likely to see it close positive this week.
Well, we also see on the losers table, FTNCocoa losing 6.9%, and that's leading the losers table. What are your thoughts on the reason for this decline?
You know, the winners you have yesterday, they were quite very detailed compared to the winner. And then when you look at some of those strategies like you said, FTNCocoa, you look at UCAP, you look at Fidelity, they were also part of the losers we had yesterday. Some of their prices were high, you know. So investors that bought at lower prices see an opportunity to take some profit and look for other stocks with good fundamentals that are likely to pay dividends this season and invest. So there was a little bit of profit taking on some of the top stocks that their prices were high and hold on to see other investments by investors. That was what happened.
So let's look at your predictions for what the market will close with today.
So far, the market is also tending towards a positive, you know, but it is too early to determine what will happen, you know. The trade just opened 9:30, you know, thereabout, and it's still 11 o'clock, so we still have a long way to go. Market closes 2 o'clock, 2:30. So you never can see what will happen. But so far, the markets have been going towards the positive trajectory. So it's likely to see that way, and it's likely to go the other side. You never can see. But right now, the retail investors' appetite is tilted towards the capital market.
So what would be your advice for investors' positioning, especially looking at the uncertainties in the economy of the nation?
Investing in the capital market right now, you can't really say, okay, buy this stock for now, but you can look at stocks that they have potential of paying good dividends right now. So those will be the best form of investment right now. Stocks that can give you good dividend at close to 10% or thereabouts. So that would be a good buy for now. Rather than that, rather to just hold on and let's see the direction our presidential election, our other election goes. Then we know what happens to our capital market.
All right. And that would be a fine place to end the conversation. A very big thank you to you, Ademola Adabali, Head Research Atlas Portfolio Securities. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on the show this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Still to come after the break, the President, Muhammadu Buhari, has assented to the Business Facilitation Miscellaneous Provision Bill 2022 and 5 other bills passed by the National Assembly. We would be looking at this in detail after the break.